Hi, everyone! Today, we're sharing a video showing how to install Dazuma Square Glass Pendant Light. The product package includes one set of screws and screw caps, one product top cover cable retainer, a set of screws and screw sleeves for a product, one metal retaining ring, one product lid, one product lampshade mount, one product light box, one product light bulb. Next, open the second layer of the product packaging, which contains the lampshade. First, remove the metal ring from the top of the light channel. Connect the light channel to the lampshade mounting ring. Then reinstall the metal ring on the light channel. Remove the silver metal ring at the bottom of the top cover cable retainer. Next, attach the top cover cable retainer to the top cover, and then reinstall the metal ring. Loosen the clips on the top cover cable retainer so you can thread the cable through. Next, thread the power cord through the light channel. Retighten the clips, securing the cables on the top cover. Place the product's mounting bracket at the location where you intend to install the product. Then secure it with the mounting screws. Connect the power cord on the top of the product to your power source. Connect the power cord on the product's top cover to your power source. Then route the cord into the electrical box. And finally, close the top cover. Install the two screws from the screw kit onto the product's top cover. Install the light bulb in the light fixture. Install the product's lampshade. Once installed, do not let go. You will need to tighten the clasp. Tighten all three clips to secure the lampshade in place. Simply wave the power wand to turn the light on or off. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.